Tonight, breakthrough in a major scientific triumph. Researchers, first time ever, have created energy from what's known as a nuclear fusion reaction. When atoms collide at very high speeds, they can generate remarkable amounts of energy and heat, which is about 10 times hotter than the sun's core. The big difference, though, and we use the word nuclear, is that this does not have the risk, the radiation, and the fallout inherent in what we all understand to be nuclear power. And that could lead to a new and infinite source of clean energy. It's an incredible thing to even consider. Out front now, Michio Kaku, the professor of theoretical physics at City University of New York, and also the author of the New York Times bestseller, The God Equation. Professor, I really appreciate your time. So just, I guess, to put this in English, how much of a game changer, and we all like to use that word, it's quick shorthand, but how real is that word in this case?
Well, the holy grail of energy research is to put the sun in a bottle. And that's apparently what they did in California at the National Ignition Facility. They took 200 laser beams of a BB, heated it up to, as you mentioned many times, the temperature of the core of the sun, releasing energy in the process. So who knows, perhaps by mid-century, there could be a fusion reactor in your neighborhood. Clean, efficient. Fusion is the energy of Mother Nature. Mother Nature does not create nuclear waste, meltdowns like we have with uranium. So this is really a cosmic game changer.
It's incredible when you say Mother Nature doesn't create all the waste and fallout and toxicity that we do. But how far away are we? You say mid-century. Is that so that obviously 2050-ish? Is that when this is just like in everyday life, like it actually really has taken over the power scene, or is that just sort of the next step? I mean, how far away is this from real widespread use?
Well, step one is to hit break even. And that's what was done in California, extracting as much energy out as you put the first time in history in California. That's step one. Step two is to scale it up so that we have enough energy to power up an entire city. We can't do that yet. Then stage three is to commercialize it. So there's one in your neighborhood, commercialize it around the entire planet. And just remember that the fuel for a fusion reactor is seawater. Hydrogen from seawater is the basic fuel for a fusion reactor. So what's there not to love? Clean, efficient, no meltdowns. We're talking about using seawater as a basic fuel, no nuclear waste to speak of. This is clean, efficient. This is Mother Nature's way of generating energy throughout the universe.
Well, it's nice to just feel enthusiastic and excited about something. So that's good to hear. Doctor, thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
Mm-hmm. My pleasure.
And next,